Welcome to Civil Projects of Unumoy. Here I am trying to share my experience and study on civil engineering. If you are benefited a little, I shall get peace in my soul. Today I am giving a introduction on the basis of civil and projects. Here I am sharing important note by written and given some speech on it. Most of the things are my own creation based on my experience. You may ask questions in comment box. I felt the meaning of civil is creation and implementation of valuable infrastructure for living. There are various types of project on the basis of purpose, location, etc. Various precautions to be taken for the different types. As in industrial project, different supply lines obstacles come out in the construction area. Safety precaution should be very high level. Old foundations and machineries may be to dismantle. Scraps and waste are more in industrial areas, whereas in open area project, development of land, arrangement of sources like water, electricity, etc., and to manage locality is more important. In airport, high graded, I mean in quality, M30 grade of concrete, etc., to be imposed. In railway track, high precision of workmanship to be done. Some common steps to start a project is to plan for the work, procure of material, survey the area of work and market, prepare land to easy procurement of material, provision of labor harassment, distance of resources like water, electricity, installation of structure must be up to store it, and after de-shuttering and cleaning, covering and shaping may be started. Finishing to be start after covering and shaping. Housekeeping actually a continuous process from starting of work to end. Final touching and handing over is the end of work or contract. Planning depends on how much land and finance we have, or it may be an work order of a project given. There we have to get drawings, bill of quantities, etc. We must have to know where we get the resources. Also, we have to study and understand the mode of contact with owner. Before starting a project, limitations of responsibility to be judged in planning stage. Minimum 1 or 2 days thorough meeting to be called for the clearance of all askings to make good relationship and making bar chart of the work. Procurement is not at a time job but should be followed by bar chart. Market survey, availability of material, testing and approval of material to be done before procurement. At many places, fine aggregate supply hampers in rainy season. Somewhere there are stacking yard shortage. Breakdown of machineries also hampers a project. So proper procurement is vast management and responsibilities. It is an important stage as the value or cost of project highly depends. Site engineering starts from surveying, so thorough knowledge of engineering needed. I shall discuss about it in my next blog. with almost all type of instruments. Today, many data can be taken by total station easily and comfortable to use, but it is necessary to know almost everything due to different places, projects, or availability. In the type of survey, chain survey used for distance measure and area calculation by chain or normal steel tape. Theodolite survey is just a step back of total station survey. Plain table is location survey with marking of permanent structures, which gives the idea of area of the project. Compass surveying is made by magnetic indicator. Tachometric, photographic, and aerial survey to be discussed later. Surveying must be whole to the part, as we are coming from the space to the earth. By closing a traverse, an area will be covered with boundaries. Then go inside and mention the offsets, permanent points, etc. In the way, errors will be minimized. Taking already fixed 2 or 3 points, other points to be made. These reference points to be kept in care throughout the projects, as any error or mistake can be rectified easily. Surveyor should be responsible for giving correct data and to draw sheets on the basis of it. So it is to be kept in mind that where the survey is done, what is the purpose of this work, what types of errors may occur, is it negligible, how much time will be needed to do both field and office work, and what will be the cost of this survey. There are four types of total station. They are scanning, robotic, autolock, and total mechanical. It is a combination of an electronic theodolite and an electronic distance meter EDM. It measures in two ways, using the traditional and still more common prism or through reflectorless technology. It is simple to set up with the application of laser plummets. It has four components: EDM, electronic distance measurement, electronic theodolite, microprocessor, and electronic display. Land development generally depends on survey report and area of the project. Vast area needed heavy machineries. Based on contour drawing, cutting and filling of earth to be done. For procurement of material, making labor hutment, roads to be made, and thus compacting of land to be done in this stage. Various soil tests may confirm the requirement. Proper land development minimize the project cost, as the earthwork needed to installation of main structure may be easily executable and plan wise. Structural engineering starts from earthwork, then following bill of quantities, foundation work, beams, columns, slabs, filling, flooring, etc. items to be executed. Structure must be on line and label and according to drawings. Care should be taken before handling the material, as scraps of reinforcement to minimize, and precautions to be taken to minimize accidents and wounds. Covering and shaping to be started after the curing period of concrete. This time, procurement of bricks or stone should be optimized. Rough handling of bricks makes a lot scraps and waste, by which cost of project also become high. All joints should be 10 mm to 15 mm. If needed, wire mesh to be provided. Various type of cracks occurs due to bad workmanship, so care should be taken. In stonework, more precision to be taken as making of sized pieces is more costly. Type of stone also to be choose before this work. Steel, glass and woodwork to be taken into account after brick or stonework. Finishing means almost final stage of project, so high precision to be taken. Plaster of Paris, POP, painting work, etc. are included in this stage. Choice of color and quality of material is a vital role. In building work, imposing light color in interior feels as a big room. For preventing damp weather, weather coat is good for exterior work. Making white in ceiling reflects the light more. In industrial project, due to dust and pollution, different material to be choose. Housekeeping depends on choice and culture. If it is maintained properly, chances of accidents become less. It makes the mind fresh. The energy of working person become high, so output grows up. Keeping firefighting equipment, first aid box and arrange stackyard of scrap material makes a site safe and clean. Nails and wires to be picked up by magnet plate every day at the end of work. Roads to be repaired and mudless for clear approach at every time. Beautification with small plants and flowers vase also included with this job. Final touch is the job not only to repair but also ensure the longevity and quality. All mistakes to be executed thoroughly, finding the actual reason of it. All the possible matter like hair cracks, leakage from sewerage, color fade, cracked glass, jammed lock of door and windows, etc. to be checked in this stage. Mind that goodwill of company may build slowly but can be broken with a very short time. Handing over a project means a newborn baby to be presented for the world. So, it is a time to smile, to make relation, and also to say goodbye. Creation is beyond of any contract. Everyone likes a newborn baby. It may be of human or any other animals. They have moments, they laugh or cry. But this type of creation can remember for its life that the every member of that team gives their effort and knowledge. So we are blessed a lot from the world. Thanks for listening. From next day, I shall discuss about various items of civil engineering. Some notes may be useful for every steps of projects. If you enjoy a little by meeting with me, then please subscribe my channel and give comments with like and share. If you have any question, please write in comment box. Goodbye.